Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you how you can use the version history tool in just about any Google app. So version history is helpful because it will see you how many people have edited the document. It will allow you to go back to a previous point of the document and restore it. So here I have a student's paper from about a year ago. So if I go to the upper left hand corner and hit File, I'll go down and scroll to where I see version history. Now notice there are a couple different options. You can name the current version. So if I wanted to, I could give it a name right now and I can name it by the date, or I could come up with any type of system that I want. And instead of making numerous documents, I could technically have one Google Doc and just have different versions of it. The other option is See Version History. So if I click on that, on the right hand side, it's actually going to show me all of the people who have edited this document. Now in this case, it is only the student and myself. Nobody else was editing it. Now, it'll show you the date and it'll show you the time, and if you scroll down, it'll show you when they first originated the document as well. Now, anytime I click on this, you'll see that there's different changes that were made, and they will be highlighted. They'll be shown directly to us by just clicking on it, which is helpful. It'll show if anything was crossed off, and if you highlight over any of the changes, it will show you who made those changes. And at any time, if I want, on the upper left hand side, I could click restore this version and it'll bring this as the current one. Now in addition, anytime I click on one of these items on the right hand side, it will also tell me how many total edits were made during that period. So if I clicked on the May 12th one, I'll see only one edit was made, and if I go down, I can see what edit it was. And if I click on a different date, I can also do the same thing. So I could keep going through. So this is helpful for me because if I really want to see if a student was editing their work, editing their paper, and spent time revising it, I could go into the version history and see just how many changes that they made.